Tonight, new questions about whether Ken Paxton is violating the gag order in his upcoming impeachment trial. No one involved is supposed to speak publicly about it, but Paxton is fundraising off of it and publicly using language that might violate that gag order. WFAA senior political reporter Jason Whiteley first reported on this today. You're in studio now to break this all down for us.
Yeah, Cynthia, the big question is what happens if someone actually violates the gag order in this political case? In a legal courtroom, of course, that person might be held in contempt and maybe even go to jail. In the state Senate, though, it is much less clear. Here's what happened. Paxton's campaign sent this fundraising email out last night asking for donations. But down in the text there in black, Paxton calls the upcoming trial, quote, an illegal impeachment scheme. Here's the problem. Lieutenant Governor Patrick's gag order said no one involved in the trial, Paxton included, can use inflammatory language like that. Patrick even used the word illegal as an example of what is forbidden to say. But Paxton's own campaign website, KimPaxton.com, has a donate tab that links to more questionable language. Here, Paxton is asking people to help him raise money against the kangaroo court. Paxton's impeachment attorney is a lawyer from Houston named Tony Busby. He said Paxton's doing nothing wrong here. Busby told me, quote, Attorney General Paxton and his campaign committee are in full compliance with all orders from the state Senate. So why does this matter? Well, no one else in this case is allowed to characterize next month's trial in any form or fashion. The other question is what happens if Paxton is violating the gag order, and that is up to Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick's office. Tonight, his office is keeping quiet on this. Messages have not been returned to us.
Because he is the judge over this trial.
He's the judge over the trial. And of course, Paxton is going to be in a Houston courtroom tomorrow morning. We'll be there for that as well. That's for the 2015 securities fraud felony case that's against him down there that was originally filed in 2015 in Collin County. He's going to be in court tomorrow in Houston on it.
And then on September the 5th for the impeachment trial.
Exactly. A lot coming up for Paxton.
All right. And for you, you'll be covering every bit of it.